हेलो गाइस, आज चाहिँ हामी अब सिमुलेसन सेन्टरमा जाँदैछौँ। हाम्रो एसआई इन्टरनेसनल युनिभर्सिटीको सिमुलेसन सेन्टर यही हो हैन। अनि आज चाहिँ हाम्रो सर्जरीको लागि चाहिँ आज सिमुलेसनमा चाहिँ आज हाम्रो क्लास लाग्नेछ हैन। अनि अब एकछिनपछि मैले तपाईहरुलाई चाहिँ भित्र चाहिँ के छहरु देखाउनेवाला छ। एसआई इन्टरनेसनलको जर्नीलाई कसरी हेर्नुहुन्छ, कस्तो छ त एसआई इन्टरनेसनल युनिभर्सिटी?
मेरो अब के भन्नु, मैले सबै राम्रै चलिरहेछ, सोचेको जस्तो पाइरहेछु। हाम्रो नयाँ आज फर्स्ट डे हो सिमुलेसन सेन्टरमा सर्जरीको। अब हाम्रो लोकल टिचर हुनुहुन्छ मिर्सोद सर, उहाँले हामीलाई आज सर्जरीको पढाउनुहुन्छ। त्यसपछि सिपिआरहरू गर्न, यो पेसेन्टलाई ट्रिट गर्नुभन्दा अगाडि हामीले डमीमा सिकाउनुहुन्छ। त्यसपछि यो सेमेस्टरभरि डमीमा राम्रो सिकाउनुहुन्छ। त्यसपछि चाहिँ नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टरमा हामीलाई झन् सजिलो होस् भनेर हुन्छ। ल, हाम्रो मिर्सोद सर पनि आउनुभयो गाडी लिएर। धन्यवाद।
थ्याङ्क यू सर, थ्याङ्क यू, धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद सर।
हाम्रो राहुल साथीको भ्लगलाई चाहिँ धेरै माया दिनुहोस्, लाइक शेयर सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोस्।
धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद साथी। Hello sir, namaste sir.
Namaste. How are you? Good morning.
Sir, they are asking that what kind of benefit the students will get from this simulation center?
Simulation Center. As today's class is propedeutic surgeries, the topic is shocks and the all types of shocks and the emergency help on the shocks in the case of the shocks. Therefore, I'm going to explain the all types of shocks in that room, anti-shock room, and I hope so students will get totally benefit from my class. That's it.
Thank you so much sir. Thank you. Changing room. Changing room ma
Or can eruption can damage. Therefore, blood can create one bleed. This internal bleed. Yeah. In my case, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's do 15 to 1. I gave the heart massage to the patient, right? And it's time to give the breast. If you have, normally you don't have the ambu bag in the outside. Yeah. You can use your mouth, you can use your lungs to give the breast to the patient. How? We have two techniques. If you don't have ambu, we have mouth to mouth breathing, mouth to nose breathing. Yeah. Should I show this mouth to mouth?
yes.
I have ambu. Sorry, I have ambu. I'm gonna show this with the help of ambu. Okay, first I'm gonna show this ambu, then without ambu. Okay. We'll see. Here's ambu bag. Ambu bag for adult. For children, you have smaller version. So ambu bag, it gives artificial breath. It has diaphragm, so that extra oxygen goes out through this diaphragm. Enough oxygen goes to lung. So and it has this pillow part, soft part, yeah. So that you need to put correctly. How to use ambu correctly? We have two rules, C and E rule. C-E rules. What it means? C means my two fingers, which is making C. It's like C, right? Letter of C. And this my C, three fingers seems to be E, right? This is C and E rules. How to use this? Firstly, I'm using ambu bag, soft part, and I'm giving the pressure. Yeah, there is C. With my three fingers, what should I do? I need to shift up the jaw. Patient jaw. Don't press. Three fingers you should use for shifting up the jaw. Yeah. These two fingers you should give the pressure. Press. As you see, ambu bag also made for the nose and for the jaw. This part for the nose, you see, that's a smaller part, and this part for the jaw. Yeah, don't like this. In the first class, I was very hurried. Therefore, with Amir, Biru, group 2 guys, I was using like this, and I want And I felt very bad. I felt myself very bad because this we use only like this, you know. Okay, you can try. No. Make sure that the nose only, nose also should should cover.
I will also try.
You are not giving properly. Up the jaw, press, then give. You see? Yeah. Yeah.
I will also.
You see?
Yes.
It's moving. If I don't touch, if I don't give the pressure, how it would be? If I touch like this.
It's not.
You see? Therefore, I need to give the pressure correctly. I need to shift up the jaw. I need to make the correct position of the path, airway path. Then, you see? That's the correct way.
Without doing jaw like this, without moving the jaw
Yeah.
first, and then
Just
just
applying the
pressing.
pressure.
Just pressing.
Just applying pressure.
A bit small.
It is small.
Always interesting. Curiosity kills the cat. Okay, who wants to try?